Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another unboxing. This thing. Now this is the Saramonic SR-XM1. It is an external microphone with a 3.5 millimeter TRS end on it. That should be able to fit into the 3.5 millimeter Osmo Pocket adapter, audio adapter, and give some external audio. Now what comes in the box? Let's find out. And they're pretty good. Open this up. You have a windscreen. You have the microphone itself. Windscreen is right over the top here. There we go. Now the nice thing about this is you can make it into an angle, and then when you have it on the bottom of the Osmo Pocket, you can just turn it around. It's kind of cool. So when I want to face forward, if I'm interviewing somebody, let's say, I can put it that way. If I want to be talking myself, vlogging style, I can just turn it around and point at me. So hopefully this will work. Now what else is in here? Let's see. We have, of course, a little silicone packet and some sort of paper in there. Okay, it is the warranty policy, and it does have a 1-year warranty under normal use. Pretty nice. And of course it has all the vendor information, customer information, and it looks like this itself is the warranty card. So that's something nice to fill out. All right, so we figured out what's in the box. Let's go out and test this out. Okay, here we are outside testing out the external microphone. Now this is of course coming raw right outside of the Osmo Pocket, and level is auto. So now we're going to put this on. So those of you who have headphones on, be careful because I'm getting ready to pop this in. Okay, it should be in. There we go. I've got a notification that the audio auxiliary has been plugged in. So you should be getting there we go. So you should be getting audio out of it now. Should sound a little better. Now it's not really windy out here, but I do have neighbors who are working on the yard. So hopefully you can tell a little bit of a difference. Now I'm going to do this again, but have the audio in manual and turn it all the way up high. Okay, here we are with the microphone attached and the Osmo Pocket volume turned all the way up. So hopefully you can see a difference or hear a difference. So what do you think? Now I'm going to turn it down 1 notch and do medium. Alrighty, so now we're on medium on the Osmo Pocket with the external microphone on. Can you tell a difference? Is there a difference? And finally, here we are on low. And just one last real quick test with the microphone on the Osmo Pocket, the level turned on auto. And that's it for the outside test. Now to figure out Where'd I put my hat? Okay, finally got a very windy day. I'm out at somebody else's house, but just wanted to show you the difference between regular on the Osmo Pocket, which you should be hearing some wind, because again, very windy. And I'm going to put the microphone back on. Now, between the time that I did the first test and now, I got a little mini dead cat to put on the end, so this may sound even better yet. So I'm going to put it in now, so be prepared. All right, I got the indicator that I do have an external microphone on, so test this out. What do you think? Better? Worse? Not as good? Let me know. Okay, as you can see from the test that we did outside, the best looks like, oddly enough, is in auto mode. Who'd have thought? I thought it would be on high mode, but yeah, that's the way it goes. So we're gonna go ahead and do some tests, do some vlogs in the future with it on auto, and just to make sure that that's the right setting. I might have to in the future maybe put it on high, even though it didn't sound as loud. I may have to put it on high and then bump it up in post, but we'll see how things go. I'll test it back and forth in different future vlogs and see how things go. So that's all I have for you today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it. And as always, have a great day.